When AutoStore is used to manage the document scanning environment for Xerox devices, the menu options provided to users can be based on their login. In this brief demonstration, we will log in using 3 different users who work at the same company. John and Gary work in the Services Department, and the Accounting Department is managed by Mary. All 3 individuals have been added to their respective security groups by their IT department to provide them access for their network resources. One of these resources is their Xerox multifunction device, which they use for scanning departmental documents. From the All Services menu at the Xerox device, they select AutoStore, which is configured for authentication against their Active Directory domain. This allows them to enter their Windows username and password. Swipe or proximity card login options for Xerox devices are also available. Let's begin with John. He starts by pressing the button next to the username field and entering his Windows username. Then he presses Done. Next, John presses the button next to the password field, enters his password, and presses Done. With John's credentials now entered, he presses the Login button. John has access to 2 scanning workflows. The John Smith menu button is only available for no one else but John because only he was added to the security setting for this AutoStore menu. Access to this button is configured for a specific Windows Active Directory user. Also available is the Services menu button, which can only be accessed by those users the IT department has added to the Services Security group, which John happens to be a part of. Access to this button is configured for a specific Windows Active Directory group. When John is finished, he presses Logout to close his AutoStore session on the device. With John now logged out, the Xerox device is ready for use by others in the office. Next, Mary in Accounting will now log in. Much like John had access to 2 buttons, so does Mary. The Mary Jones menu button is only available to her and no one else, because only she was added to the security setting of this AutoStore menu. She is also a member of the Accounting Security Group, which is managed by IT, so this button is available to her. This menu would provide scanning workflows relevant only to those in accounting, and those documents are sent to file repositories which are only accessible by those in the accounting department. With Mary now logged out, the Xerox device is available for others to use. Last to log in for this demo is Gary, who is also in the Services department, just like John. Because Gary is part of the Service Security group, the Services menu button is made available to him, and he does not have access to any other scanning workflows. With Gary logged out, the device is now available for other users. With AutoStore, menus can be customized from the button name to the document destination, and as shown in this demonstration, even which ones the user has access to. But personalized scanning isn't just about convenience, it's also about security. Visit us on the web for more information about other areas where AutoStore can help your company meet its security objectives. For more information on how your organization can personalize its document scanning with AutoStore, contact your local Xerox reseller. And thanks for watching.